Guys, it's Big Jalapeno, and today we are playing Icestorm Blacklight Retribution. This is on PS4, just saying. And yes, I did get a PS4, guys. It's not that bad. I like it. But yeah, pretty good game. You guys should try this out. It's called Blacklight Retribution. So, if you like this video, please play it. Play this game if you have a PS4. I think you can get it on PS3, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys like this game, please play it. Here, I'm gonna fix the light. So yeah, pretty much, it's like a dark game, pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna fix the camera a little bit. Just saying. Here you guys go. This is probably a better view. Pretty much, I'm playing. It's like zombies, but just harder. The zombies come out real crazy, so they're really fast. So it's really hard. I keep saying so. Spam. Spam merchant, spam merchant. Yeah, team warlord. Oh, damn. Let's see. Where should we go? Oh snap, they got armor. Oh. Alright, so pretty much you guys are killing zombies. And yeah, remember guys, this game's called Blacklight Retribution. Please play it. Please, please, please. It's really fun. There's team deathmatch too. It's pretty much like Call of Duty, just I think this is way better than Call of Duty. But yeah. He looks like he's still alive, it's just that he's sleeping. Gotcha. All I have is a freaking pistol. Come on. Give me some ammo. Let's go. I have to take out all these zombies. Oh, God. Never mind, never mind. I can't take out any of these zombies, man. Mission failed. You failed to capture the objective. Oops. My bad. Oh, we lost early, guys. I'm sorry. But the round's over. So, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Like and subscribe, and I guess that's it for today. But yeah.